Lakin from Sienna Plantation has a moisture mystery.
Well, it's in a home they bought last year, Tom.
A mysterious home.
A mystery, yeah, that's right. It's going to be on one of those, the Ghost Hunter show, maybe.
I
don't
like
know.
those shows.
Lakin writes, we have this moisture along the edge of the ceiling where it meets the fireplace brick. Oh, boy, here we go. We're off to a good start. There it is.
Yep.
See it right along there?
Yes, I do, actually. Around the crown mold on the brick.
And I don't think that was there was an intention in that design. A contractor said the shingles were flapping up and allowing moisture, and the roofer then came and said, the shingles are fine. They replaced the cricket and flashing along the fireplace, and the roofer said the chimney has cracks in the mortar of the brick, which is allowing the moisture in. So Tom Lakin wants to know, where do they go to repair this leak?
Lord's Chimney.
Really?
Yes, because it is true. And I remember Hurricane Ike, when Jim Hardwick from Ideal Roofing said, if they're having saturated chimneys, we can't help them. They'll dry out. It'll be fine. A chimney is a very vulnerable spot, but there's actually 2 contractors that were involved with that.
It's like a wick. You get right down
well,
to it.
and if he does, now I don't know. I mean, I'd get him to inspect it, right?
Sure.
If those shingles are flapping up and down, that's flapping up and down. So I'm not going to say no to that. But the fact of the matter is that chimneys have other problems, especially masonry chimneys, and this is brick, and this is along that line. And if it is taking in the moisture, Lord's Chimney, they can repoint it all. They can rebuild pieces of the brick. They can rebuild the firebox. They can set a camera right up the middle of it to see if there's any cracks in the flue. I mean, they have the technology to do it, but sometimes you go to a chimney sweep when it's a chimney.
All right, start there.
Yep.
Especially since they did the flashing.
They did the roof. They redid the flashing. They said there was mortar issues. The crown on top, somebody might not even looked. It could have cracks in it, and that's a typical sign of what you would have. And quite frankly, if that's the problem, it's an easier one to fix than they would think. So don't be upset. Thank your
thankful.
blessings that all the shingles aren't flapping around.
That's right. All right. You got a question flapping around? Send it our way. We'll help you out with your home improvement project. Get you from to-do to done. This guy will right here. Send it to HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form. That's how you get it to us. And meanwhile, look at these other videos we've done. Subscribe. Click the bell. We'll let you know when we post a new one.